What's up, guys? It's your boy Mr. Youpster, and I'm back again with another reaction video. And today we're gonna be reacting to the ultimate birds cursing. Okay, now this is gonna be funny because I love birds that just be cursing at the house. Now, the owners be complaining like, "Oh, stop cursing," but I mean they got it from you in the first place, you know. So honestly, let's get right into this video. This is gonna be hilarious. I'm excited.
What's up, bitch?
What's up, bitch? What's up, bitch?
Come on, you can say other things apart from swear words. Stop cursing and speaking French.
Fuck off, twat. Cut you off. Shut up. You stupid Ruby. Cunt. What fat bastard?
I know I'm a fat bastard.
Yeah, I know I'm a fat bastard.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry you're frustrated.
He's gonna come stand by you.
It's crazy.
Yo. Look at him just chilling.
Try to pet him.
No, that over got the big ass big gun over there.
Fuck you.
Fuck you!
Fuck you.
What the fuck you want me
Stop laughing at boy. Bro, they really sound like humans, bro. Wow. Oh, snap. That's hilarious.
Holy shit, you fucking bitch. Give us a kiss, you fucking bitch. Fucking bitch. Holy shit, you fucking dickhead. Holy shit.
Give me a kiss, you fucking bitch.
You love me?
Fuck off.
Yo. The birds are hilarious.
Today? You're not a fucking legend at all. Did you bash up the dog? Did... No, you're not a fucking legend.
He's a legend. Yeah.
Fuck you. Fuck you.
Hey, watch your mouth, bro. Watch your mouth, cuz.
Fuck you.
No.
Fuck you.
Wow.
Fuck you.
Wow. Language. Well, guys, that was a funny video. I guess you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Wow, I just kind of screwed up my words right there. Link in the description down below if you want to react to it to yourself. Dude, I would so get a bird, bro, and just curse at it all the time, so it can curse back at me. That would be hilarious, dude. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if there's any videos you would like for me to react to. Make sure you go follow me on Twitch, on Instagram, please. Appreciate it. We're like at 700 followers on Twitch, and let's try to reach 200 subscribers on my YouTube channel. Would really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.